So we have another view of the times. We have the daily scan adjustment, which shows all of the employees for a single day. And again, we'll change it back to August, because I know that that's where I've got some data. So all the different employees here for this particular date. And exactly the same before, the menus. So here on this menu, we didn't show you that before. You can delete the pair of times, you can edit the in time, you can set these times as leave, or if you double click on a time, you can adjust both the times here, and you can add break, job, department and location information if necessary. Let's assign these particular hours to job. We'll go 2000. I'll show you later how those times are put in. So now if we hold the cursor over here, we can see that those hours are going to be assigned to job 2000 when they're exported. All right, that's the adjustment screen.